Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Are you a beginner in affiliate marketing? Are you starting on affiliate marketing and you are asking yourself where to get started? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first 200 USD per sale in the affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing programs, you always need skills, you always need to have different platforms to explore. You always have different affiliate marketing program to join to be able to make such amount of money. And also it depends on how you work, depends on how you access the different devices, the different platforms. Without wasting time, let's get started. Before we get started, also remember to get subscribed to this channel CV, like this video, share it to our friends, and turn on the bell button so you will get notified when I upload new video here at Nomax TV. What I do, I'm gonna use my computer, and you need to have always device. You can use your phone and not necessarily computer. And I type Secure Hosting. After typing Secure Hosting in my computer, I'm gonna explore this Secure Hosting platform. As you can see, this is the first one. If I click on it, it is gonna open. And also once it opens, you can see different services you're gonna be exploring. And you know that whenever you're gonna do affiliate marketing, you are promoting different people's services and products, and also you earn from the commission as part of the sales you have made. That means you get paid for marketing services or promoting those services. What you have to do, you have to come to this platform and check for this package they're selling. You can see they have 2.95 USD per month, which is starting from there. They have also 29.95 per month, 29.95 per month, which is managed WordPress VPS. This is managed cloud hosting. This is only Camis hosting, which is costing 14.995. And also if you scroll down and try to choose security data supporters, you can see they provide different services here. Migrations, moving on existing website from another hosting provider could then be easier. Our support team can do the migration absolutely free of charge and at time of your convenience. They no longer need you login credentials to move all your data to their premium managed hosting. Also, you can see they can help you to migrate your data if you are trying to move to these hosting services. And also you can see the Espano is all that and a lot more. PHP version change, per track, email delivery status, regular updates based on your client suggestions. Also they all do this. And also what you do after understanding the services they provide here, you can see there is WordPress hosting. If you click here, you can see the amount of money charged. There is hosting, which is managed cloud hosting, unmanaged hosting, cluster hosting, business email hosting. And you can see each and every one has its own data center, and also it has its own pricing. So you can see multi-DC data centers. And also if you go to, for instance, to the technology they have here, you can see Espano, SS Shield Security Guard, WordPress Manager. And also let's now try to go to affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing link of this platform to see where you can get started with doing affiliate marketing. What you do is to click on this link, affiliates, and after clicking on affiliates, you can see join the highest paying hosting affiliate program. Help us to spread the word about the next step in the hosting evaluation and earn up to 200 USD per every sale you made. As you can see, if you're now gonna join this affiliate program, you can be able to earn up to 200 per sale you made. You get to promote the very best in web hosting while earning the industry's commission. As I told you, affiliate marketing money is not free. You're gonna be getting paid depends on how many sales you have made, and also how much money you have made in the given affiliate marketing. If you try, for instance, to come here below, you can see you can even go to up to 500, depends on how many sales you have made. For instance, if you make 1 up to 3 sales, you can earn 1 to USD 120 per seller. If you made for up to 10 cents per month, you can earn up to 160 per hour. And if you can earn up to 11 to 15 cents per month, you can be able to earn this amount of money, which is the last for VPS hosting. And also the same here, as you can see, if we go to web hosting, generally you can be able to earn also up to 100 USD per set. This is different. And also if you're gonna be going beyond the 20 series here, 50 series here, this is gonna be custom earnings. So if you come here and calculate, now you can be able to understand how much money you'll be able to earn for every sale you made. And also the more you increase the series, or the more you increase the promotion, and the more people are coming and signing up to the platform, the more money you're gonna be getting. After doing this, you're gonna click here on apply section to be getting started with this affiliate marketing. You can see I'm gonna click on this link, apply section, and after clicking on apply section, they give me the application form. Or the application form, of course, you have to put your name, the last name, the email address, and the affiliate information, affiliate profile information. These include your website, which you will be using to promote this affiliate market or these services. And also you have to choose your affiliate name. This is gonna be your name. You can be identifying the one you need. And also you have to describe how you intend to promote it, scale hosting. You have to explain if you're gonna be using website, if you're gonna be using social media, if you're gonna be using discounted coupons, and the more you're gonna be using this. And also you have to add your PayPal email, which is for payments, and also you can add your Payoneer as the payment address. This is gonna be your payout address. If you want to be withdrawing your money, they're gonna be using one of these one you have provided here. And also you're gonna be paid through this payment method payout method you have already provided. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to subscribe to this channel TV, or like this video, share with your friends, and also if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.